Yeah, well, Stallingborough Site 2 involves 420 metres of embankment rebuild. There's partial rebuild and full rebuild. The toe erosion works require rock rolls to be installed at the toe. The tide has been a challenge. Basically, it's given us a golden window of 3 hours per day, which we tackle at low tide. With rock rolls, there's several ways you can lift them, but normally you use two snatch chains on either end. But this creates bunching up of the aggregate inside the bag. So we came up with a plan of how to split the aggregate weight by using 4 separate drop chains attached to a lifting beam, which has been used to great effect. The utility we're trying to work around is a medium pressure gas main. We came up with a number of different ideas to have a look at the works and what's the easiest way to A, save on non-mechanical lifting, because we can't have heavy plant anywhere near the main, but also as a safety factor to make sure we can get material underneath the gas main without any hindrance.